Hello, my name is Bijanca Star, and this is NFT time, where I share the latest tea on the NFT community. The background is different. I don't have my teacup. I'm in New York right now for the holiday. Sometimes we change it up, so you gotta deal with it. All right, Odell Beckham Jr. will receive his salary from the Rams in Bitcoin, leading to a series of athletes that are receiving their salaries in Bitcoin. This is obviously really bullish on the cryptocurrency, saying that these celebrities, these people making big checks, think it's very valuable to receive their money in Bitcoin, right? NFT is Collins Dictionary word of 2021, beating out crypto. That is huge. We're beating out crypto. We're beating out this machine that says Bitcoin is the most powerful thing, which ultimately it can be and it might be, but that just displays the power of NFTs. That displays the power of this non-fungible token, and it displays the power of us seeing its utilization beyond just art. It's obviously more than just a tool for art, and as we continue to move in the space, we'll continue to see some renaissance uses of this technology. Gary Vee, the influencer king of NFTs, says an enormous amount of carnage is coming. The amount of money that will be lost is staggering. And to be honest, I am not gonna say he's wrong, because there's so many NFT projects that are out there that have absolutely no utility, are literally just hype cash grab games. So if you're going to invest in NFTs, make sure you do your own research, make sure you understand what makes a quality project, and make sure that you're willing to lose some money and put some money on the table, because that's the name of the game here. It's a new technology, so you have to be ready to ride the ride through all the ups and the downs. Rarible launches a pseudonymous messaging integration, saying that they want to have NFT communities built within their platform, because the basis of NFTs is building community. So this messaging system will allow people to talk anonymously between each other on the platform, creating more of what they consider to be community on Rarible. And lastly, Christies and OpenSea partnered together to have an auction-style NFT collection drop through OpenSea this time, not through Christies' own website. Really interesting integration, says a lot for the value of OpenSea. It'll be interesting to see how marketplaces continue to evolve as we see OpenSea be, maybe dethroned by Coinbase's upcoming NFT marketplace. Our word of the day is gas. What is gas? On the Ethereum network, computational power generates a fee to incentivize miners, the hosters of the Ethereum network, to validate these transactions. That fee is gas. And if you've ever been on the Ethereum network, you know that gas fees are so high, it's actually painful. So this is my NFT time today. I'm Bijanca Star, and have a great day.